So good day guys. Today we're gonna do a little tutorial on how to create a template for your quotes. Create a template that you can work on every day. You can just edit every time on CorelDraw, and that's the magic. Template on CorelDraw. So let's get to it guys. Okay, so you're creating a new document and then you can just put whatever, but you have to create something. The layout should have to be whatever size you want, whatever fits into where you want to upload it to. So you have to have where you want to upload it in mind. If you wish to upload it on your Facebook page, your Facebook profile, WhatsApp, whatever it is, but I'll prefer the square. So I'll put here 200 by 200 mm, so it's squared, and that's okay. So let's begin. First of all, I'm going to double click on my rectangular tool, and then I'm creating a rectangle. Then I'm going to create the background color, and I prefer fountain flow. So we're going to use fountain flow, which is your uniform, okay, this is your fountain fill. Okay, so I'm going to create it. Oh my god, my mouse. So I'm just gonna drag this. I'm gonna drag this. So that's it. I'm gonna change the color to something I want, reddish, but I want to make it dark because I need a dark background, and this is okay. Then I choose here to something near there so that to contrast with them much, and I think this is beautiful for me. You can use your own blue, whatever you wish to use, whatever will fit in for you. So I think this is okay for me. I'm going to drag this down so that I want more of the red than the pink. Okay, secondly, you have to create another rectangular box. Then you put your color, which is actually, I prefer black. I hold my control and my page up on my keyboard. I think I'll leave something there so that you see it. Then I have to reduce the transparency by 90. I prefer 90. Okay, it's too a little bit dark, but you know why we reduce that later. I'll change it to 80. Okay, okay, that being said, so why I'm creating this layer is so that because I want my image I want to input not to be on the background, because I can change the background anytime and I can change the image at any time. So I will import in my image or my background image, whatever one I want to use. Worshippers. It wasn't the dance praise concert, so let's just use any of them. Prefer this. My mouse is stopping me. Okay, so I'll just increase this and enlarge this. Okay, then I'll power clip it. Mouse. Power clip inside. That is my power clip, and then you have to fill it up. Fill it up. Then I input my transparency. Then I'll use my fountain film, but this time I'm using radial. So I have something like this, and then I want to make sure the transparency is much. So you see, so this is it. This is why I'm creating this. So you're having is on this layer, not on the background. Okay, then now I have to go on and input in this is what I wanted to use. I wish to use this. Oh my god, my mouse actually giving me a headache. I'm trimming it to size I want it to be. So you can put it at any top corner, probably bottom, wherever you feel fitting. So I'm gonna I use my image adjustment layer and increase the contrast, reduce the brightness, and increase the highlights. So kind of blends is not too sharp from background. So prefer this. Then I'll bring in the other logo, that is the team logo. So you must have this already for you to be able to bring it in. Okay. I created this. I think you know how to create your own already. So I can now add either day 1 or day 2, depends on whatever I want to use. If it's not a day, if it's just a day program, no need of adding this, just choose whatever works for you. Study your own project, know what is gonna work, then do you. So I'm choosing the size that works for me, 15. Okay. To align it, I use a highlighter bolt and I clicked on C. So that's it. So I'm gonna choose my color. Prefer white. So I'm gonna go with white. Okay. To create a contrast between text and the background. I'm going to reduce this a lot. Oh my god, my mouse. Okay, group both, Ctrl G, then make it align to the top with this. Then I'll push both of them up. Okay, is it, I think. So I'm gonna copy this from here, and I'm going to you don't just have to put this on your own, it depends on what you want. You just want to make it. So create template, then I'm importing this picture. The speaker, the host, whoever owns the quote. So just input in. I think my mouse has a say in everything I do here. Okay. So I'll use my transparency to and down now, make it fade to the bottom so that bring in my quote. So this is my quote. You have already typed it, just copy and then simple, just paste. Maintain font and formatting. I think I need that. So look at that, looks like I changed the color. I prefer color from here, so I'll just use my color picker and choose and pour it on it. So I think that's okay. Then I have to change my fonts. I'm using staple bold, so just use the font that works for you. I'll centralize this. So I'll just drag it down and then kind of switch it. We'll copy that, then switch it back. I think I have that. Next I'll just have to input in the speaker's name. I think this is okay. Just have to group this, take it to the center, control. Same thing with that, the center. I think that is okay. Then you see the background is kind of trying to be pronounced, so I have to work on this again by, okay, I'll just convert it to bitmap. Then I'll put in a text. I just want to use this temporarily, so I don't want the file to be able, so I have to cut this off from this. Okay, so I can now delete this big guy and also calculate the line. So still here, I have to reduce this a little. Okay, that's a 60. It's perfect. I just have to expand it, so you have to just work on it till it fits your test. Reduce this to 40. I think that makes sense. So I think we're done with this. Group it and let's see how it looks like. So I think this is okay, just makes sense. So this is a template, you can work on it, you just depend on something. So this is magical. So thank you for today, guys. See you in the next tutorial.